The package robot can be downloaded as an app and then started directly on a Windows device or a Mac without installation. After logging in with your username, you select the environment and, if available, one of your policies that determines the target distribution system of the package. In 6 easy steps, you can create a package without requiring any technical knowledge. First, you specify the package format with various options available depending on the license and target environment. Our customers particularly value the special packages that allow them to easily create add-ons such as browser extensions, shortcuts, fonts, and certificates. But we go back and decide on a classic software package. This means a package that is installed in the program directory for all users. In the second step, you determine the file source. There are various options available here, from selecting a known package template to selecting a locally installed application to selecting a winged source. In our case, we want to process an MSI file, so I select this point. Now we have reached the point where we can upload the file. Depending on the size of the installation file, this process may take a while. Once the MSI file arrives on the server, it is analyzed and compared to our existing package templates. If the software is already known, our instructions will be adopted. In this case, it is an unknown application. In step 4, we have to tell the robot what the main use of this application is. This information helps the robot prepare the application correctly. Then, in the 5th step, you select a suitable logo where you can choose between images from the web and image files from the MSI package. This brings us to the last page of the wizard, and here we have the opportunity to check all the information and adjust it if necessary. Here we can adjust properties, remove links, and also adjust the package description, which the robot generated automatically. Basically, everything should be functional and we can create the package. To test the package locally, you can download it here. We call this package a root template, which means it is a raw package that can be used in any environment. It does not contain any company-specific information or adjustments to the distribution solution. We now see that our MSI has been supplemented with additional files. We have an MST file here that contains the adjustments from the wizard, and all the packaging logic is contained in this XML file. By the way, this can easily be opened and customized in a text editor. You can find the description of the commands on the help pages of our website. We could now also test the package locally by calling setup, but in this case, we will skip this test and integrate the package directly into our target environment. That's why we're now preparing the package for the environment. Now additional scripts are created on the server, which we need for the import. Depending on the target environment, this last step differs greatly. For example, on an Intune environment, the package can be uploaded directly. On an Empyrum environment, it can be imported directly. Finally, please pay attention to the robot's instructions in order to identify possible problems and resolve them either through testing or by adapting the generated package.